In today's video, I've got 120 plus creative hobby ideas that are perfect for keeping your mind active and your hands busy. Creative and artistic hobbies: pottery. Mold clay into functional or decorative pieces. Pottery is a tactile hobby that fosters mindfulness. Sculpting: carve or model materials into three-dimensional art. Mosaic art: assemble small pieces to form a larger image. Mosaic art develops patience and attention to detail. Glass blowing: shape molten glass into unique forms. Glass blowing is both challenging and rewarding. Painting: express your emotions through colors and brushstrokes. Painting enhances creativity and provides a therapeutic outlet. Drawing: sharpen your observation skills by sketching from life or imagination. Drawing improves hand-eye coordination and focus. Calligraphy: master the art of beautiful handwriting. Calligraphy adds a personal touch to invitations and letters. Origami: transform paper into intricate designs. Origami promotes patience and precision. Scrapbooking: preserve memories creatively. Scrapbooking combines photography and journaling for a personalized keepsake. Digital art: create artwork using digital tools. Digital art offers endless possibilities for experimentation. Knitting: create garments and accessories with yarn. Knitting is relaxing and improves dexterity. Crocheting: craft items using a crochet hook. Crocheting is versatile and portable. Embroidery: decorate fabric with needle and thread. Embroidery allows for intricate designs and personalization. Quilting: sew layers of fabric into a quilt. Quilting combines creativity with functionality. Macrame: tie knots to create decorative items. Macrame is a trendy and satisfying craft. Weaving interlaced threads to make textiles. Weaving connects you to ancient traditions. Felting mat fibers together to form shapes. Felting is a tactile and forgiving medium. Sewing: construct or alter clothing and home decor. Sewing is a practical and creative skill. Tie-dyeing: apply vibrant patterns to fabric. Tie-dyeing is fun and expressive. Loom knitting: use a loom to knit without needles. Loom knitting is beginner-friendly and efficient. Baking: prepare breads, pastries, and desserts. Baking is both delicious and therapeutic. Cooking: experiment with recipes and cuisines. Cooking enhances creativity and self-sufficiency. Candy making: craft sweets and confections. Candy making is a precise and rewarding process. Fermenting: produce foods like yogurt or kimchi. Fermenting is a blend of science and tradition. Home brewing: create your own beer or cider. Home brewing combines chemistry with craftsmanship. Cheese making: transform milk into various cheeses. Cheese making is both challenging and satisfying. Cake decorating: design visually stunning cakes. Cake decorating merges baking with artistry. Jam making: preserve fruits into spreads. Jam making is a sweet way to enjoy seasonal produce. Herb gardening: grow herbs for culinary use. Herb gardening enhances cooking and provides fresh flavors. Food photography: capture appetizing images of dishes. Playing an instrument: learn to play instruments like piano or guitar. Music enhances cognitive abilities and emotional expression. Singing: develop vocal skills and confidence. Singing is uplifting and social. Dancing: explore styles from ballet to hip-hop. Dancing improves fitness and coordination. Acting: participate in theater or film. Acting fosters empathy and public speaking skills. Stand-up comedy: write and perform comedic routines. Comedy sharpens wit and timing. Magic tricks: learn illusions to entertain others. Magic enhances dexterity and showmanship. Puppetry: create and animate puppets. Puppetry combines crafting with performance. DJing. Mix music for events or personal enjoyment. Beatboxing. Produce rhythmic sounds using your mouth. Beatboxing is a unique musical expression. Choir participation. Join a group to sing harmoniously. Choirs build community and musicality. Creative writing. Compose stories, poems, or essays. Journaling. Record thoughts and experiences. Journaling promotes self-reflection and mindfulness. Blogging. Start a blog to share your thoughts, hobbies, or expertise with the world. It's a creative outlet that can also become a side hustle or a personal portfolio over time. Storytelling. Craft and share stories, whether fictional or based on real events. Poetry writing. Express emotions and ideas through poetic forms. Writing poetry can be therapeutic and improve linguistic creativity. Language learning. Study a new language to broaden cultural understanding. Book club participation. Join a group to discuss literature. Book clubs encourage critical thinking and social interaction. Script writing. Write scripts for plays, films, or videos. Editing and proofreading. Refine written content for clarity and correctness. Translating texts. Convert written material from one language to another. Translation enhances language proficiency and cultural appreciation. Online courses. Enroll in virtual classes on various subjects. Online learning offers flexibility and access to diverse knowledge. Public speaking. Practice speaking in front of audiences. Public speaking builds confidence and effective communication skills. Debating. Engage in structured arguments on various topics. Debating sharpens critical thinking and persuasive abilities. Speed reading. Improve reading speed and comprehension. Speed reading allows for efficient information processing. Mind mapping. Visualize ideas and concepts through diagrams. Financial literacy. Learn about managing finances effectively. Philosophical discussions. Explore fundamental questions about existence and knowledge. Philosophy encourages deep thinking and perspective taking. Scientific experiments. Conduct experiments to understand scientific principles. Hands-on science fosters curiosity and analytical skills. Board games. Play strategic or chance-based tabletop games. Board games promote social interaction and cognitive skills. Card games engage in games like poker or bridge. Card games enhance memory and strategic thinking. Video gaming. Play digital games across various genres. Video games can improve hand-eye coordination and problem-solving. Puzzle solving work on jigsaw puzzles or brain teasers. Puzzles boost concentration and spatial reasoning. Sudoku. Fill in number grids following specific rules. Sudoku enhances logical thinking and pattern recognition. Crossword puzzles solve word puzzles that test vocabulary and knowledge. Crosswords are great for mental stimulation. Chess. Play the classic strategy game. Chess develops foresight and tactical planning. Role-playing games, RPGs. Participate in narrative-driven games. RPGs encourage creativity and teamwork. Escape rooms. Solve puzzles to escape-themed rooms. These activities promote collaboration and critical thinking. Trivia quizzes. Test knowledge across various subjects. Trivia games are fun and educational. Decorating design and arrange living spaces. Decorating enhances aesthetic sense and comfort. Gardening cultivate plants and flowers. Gardening is therapeutic and improves the environment. DIY home projects. Undertake do-it-yourself improvements. DIY projects build skills and personalize spaces. Furniture upcycling. Repurpose old furniture into new pieces. Upcycling is eco-friendly and creative. Houseplant care, grow and maintain indoor plants. Houseplants purify air and add greenery. Candle making, create custom candles. Candle making is relaxing and allows for personalization. Soap making produce handmade soaps. Soap making is both practical and artistic. Composting recycle organic waste into fertilizer. Composting benefits the environment and gardening. Pet training teach pets new behaviors. Training strengthens bonds and improves pet behavior. Mindfulness and wellness. Meditation, practice mindfulness and focus. Meditation reduces stress and enhances mental clarity. Yoga. Combine physical postures with breathing techniques. Yoga improves flexibility and inner peace. Tai Chi. Perform slow, flowing movements. Tai Chi promotes balance and relaxation. Breathing exercises. Focus on controlled breathing patterns. These exercises aid in stress management. Aromatherapy. Use scents to influence mood and health. Aromatherapy can be calming and invigorating. Gratitude journaling. Write down things you're thankful for each day. This simple habit boosts mood, reduces stress, and helps you focus on the positive. Forest bathing. Shinrin Yoku. Spend quiet time in nature, observing with all your senses. It reduces anxiety, improves mood, and reconnects you with the natural world. Sound bath meditation. Relax to the vibrations of instruments like singing bowls or gongs. It promotes deep relaxation and can ease emotional tension. Vision board making. Create a collage of your dreams and goals. Vision boards help clarify intentions and keep you motivated. Mindful coloring. Use adult coloring books to unwind. This calming activity relieves stress and taps into your inner artist. Photography. Capture moments, emotions, or scenery through a lens. Photography improves your observation and storytelling skills. Video editing. Learn to create engaging videos. Editing builds technical skills and creativity. YouTube channel creation. Share your knowledge, skills, or life on YouTube. It's a great creative outlet and can grow into a side hustle. Podcasting. Start a podcast on topics you love. Podcasting improves communication skills and connects you with like-minded people. Stop motion animation. Animate objects frame by frame. This activity is perfect for storytelling and boosting patience. Photo editing. Enhance your images with tools like Photoshop or Lightroom. It sharpens technical and artistic abilities. Drone flying and aerial filming. Explore photography from a bird's eye view. It's thrilling and offers a new creative perspective. Graphic design. Learn to design logos, posters, or digital content. It's a marketable skill and a fun creative outlet. Blog design. Create visually appealing blogs. It blends tech with creativity and communication. Practical and entrepreneurial hobbies. Budget planning. Organize your income and expenses. Budgeting builds responsibility and helps achieve financial goals. Bullet journaling. Combine productivity and creativity in one system. Bullet journals improve time management and self-expression. Couponing. Save money through deals and discounts. It's rewarding and can become a fun challenge. Online selling. Etsy, eBay. Sell handmade or secondhand goods. It encourages entrepreneurship and decluttering. Investing. Learn how the stock market works and start small. Investing grows your financial literacy and future wealth. Freelancing. Offer your skills online like writing or design. Freelancing builds independence and can supplement your income. Resume building and career planning. Improve your CV or explore career options. These efforts help prepare for future opportunities. Minimalist living, declutter, and focus on essentials. It simplifies life and reduces stress. DIY gift making. Craft personalized presents for others. It's meaningful, fun, and budget-friendly. Thrift shopping and upcycling. Find treasures and give them a second life. It supports sustainability and creativity. Offer your time to causes you care about. It builds community, empathy, and purpose. Pen paling, write letters to people worldwide. Pen paling connects cultures and improves writing skills. Joining a club or group. Be it reading, hiking, or crafting, find your people. Groups foster motivation and friendship. Hosting game nights. Bring friends or family together for fun. It strengthens relationships and lightens the mood. Neighborhood cleanups help. Keep your community beautiful. It's satisfying and environmentally responsible. Mentoring or tutoring, share your knowledge with someone. Mentoring is fulfilling and builds confidence. Random acts of kindness. Do something kind for others, big or small. It spreads joy and positivity in the world. Event planning. Organize small gatherings or themed parties. Event planning boosts creativity and logistic skills. Foraging and nature journaling. Head outdoors and learn to identify wild plants, herbs, or mushrooms, safely of course. Combine it with nature journaling by sketching what you find, taking notes, and reflecting on your outdoor experiences. Sleeping. Never underestimate the power of a good nap or a full night's sleep. Resting helps recharge your body and mind, improves focus, and boosts your overall well-being. And that's it for today's mega list of creative hobbies. I hope you found at least a few new ideas to try out, or maybe even 120. Let me know in the comments which one you're most excited about, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little inspiration. Until next time, stay creative and take care.